Founded in Osaka, Japan in 1924, Daikin have grown to become one of the world's largest manufacturers of HVAC technology. HVAC standing for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. By providing premium quality, innovative climate control solutions, Daikin are globally respected and noted for leading the market in the production of both domestic and commercial air conditioning units. Their comprehensive range aims to provide a climate control solution to all areas of the market, with budget options on portable air conditioning units through to top-of-the-line wall-mounted units. Such is their diversity, we at Aircon 24/7 understand you may require some assistance in selecting the ideal model for your needs. We have created a wealth of documentation to assist in selecting the best Daikin unit for your circumstance, and are only a phone call away should you like a more personalized service.